So good afternoon guys, it's lunchtime. So I'm gonna make chicken stir fry with linguine, 250 grams of linguine. And so all you need is one onion and garlic powder, and the rest of it you put inside. So first thing you do, get the excess fat off. A little bit fat is good, but not too much, I don't like. So cut the chicken into slices. So as I've said, cut into even slices like so. Then take the onion, cut it up into slices as well. So right here, I'll put about 1 liter of water here and some butter unsalted, and I'll put salt and maggot in there. So bring it to the boil to cook the linguine. So right here, when you sliced up the onion into even slices, and also the chicken ready to cook, ready to rumble. So right here, when the water has become to the boil, put the linguine in there. I like to break them up, because it's easier for me to eat. So cook it until they're cooked. So right here, stir it like so. 3-4 times so that don't stick. So here I put some oil in the frying pan, in the saucepan, whatever you want to call it, you see. And then the onion, so just let it go nice and soft. Amke's kitchen. So right here, when it looks like so nice and soft, put the chicken thighs in, and then so stir it in, nice and easy. Amke's kitchen. And then so put the garlic powder, a bit of garlic powder, basil, oregano, pepper and salt. And then slowly stir it in, nice and easy. Amke's chicken. So it looks like this, So always try the pasta before you think it's ready. So the pasta is ready, so we're just waiting for the stir fry to put in now. So the pasta is ready, and now I'll put the stir fry in. The Thai stir fry is the best, So slowly, and I'm minging it. So it looks like this, So it looks fantastic. Whoa! So then I'm gonna put some sour cream in there. So in here, so right here I'll put some sour cream in there. So just let it melt, and that's cooked. Because everything is cooked. So just let it melt. So right here it looks like this, Nice and easy. Amke's kitchen, So just let it heat up and then pour the linguine, bowl of linguine. So right here, so that's how it looks, you see, and then stir it well. And then so that's it, guys, thanks for watching Amke's lunch, and chicken stir fry with linguine, Amke's kitchen. So bon appetit, thanks guys for watching, see you later.